I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your address on Claro 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Claro website or open the Claro app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Profile Settings, find the option to update your address. It may be labeled as Update Address or Edit Address. Step 4. Enter new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double-check for typos, as errors can lead to service disruptions. Note, if you accidentally enter the wrong postal code, it might delay your service activation. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, look for a confirmation button to save your changes. You may receive a notification or email confirming the update. Updating your address is straightforward, and following these steps should help you do it without any hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.